Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete step-by-step process of deleting your Google account in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new account or just want a clean slate, I'll make sure you understand every step clearly so you don't lose anything important in the process. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it. If you're signed into multiple accounts, make sure you select the one you actually want to delete. Next, click Manage your Google account. This will take you to your main account settings page, basically the control center for everything tied to your Google identity. Now, look at the left-hand side panel and click on Data and Privacy. This section is where all your data settings, privacy controls, and account management tools are located. Scroll down until you find the section called More Options. Here, you'll see the choice to delete your Google account. Click on it. At this stage, Google will ask you to verify your password for security reasons. Once you confirm, click Next to continue. Before you proceed, Google will remind you of something very important. Once your account is deleted, all your data goes with it. That means your emails, photos, Drive files, YouTube, history, and everything else linked to that account will be permanently erased. If there's anything you want to keep, make sure to download your data first. You'll see an option called Download Your Data right on that page. Click it and follow the steps to save your emails, files, or photos before moving on. Once you've backed up what you need, you'll see two checkboxes at the bottom. The first one acknowledges any remaining charges or subscriptions linked to your account. The second confirms that you truly want to delete your account and all of its data. After checking both boxes, click Delete Account, and that's it. Your Google account will now be permanently deleted. Just remember, once you complete this step, there's no going back. So make sure you've backed up everything important before confirming the deletion. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.